Hello everyone, today I want to let you know that Cake Boxes Direct is one of our supported suppliers. It's brand new and you can all start dropshipping from its website. It's a dropshipping friendly website. It has free delivery within the UK. There are several items all related to bakery that you can all dropship from now on. You don't have to pay any monthly fee. You can create your own account if you want, but if not, you will be able to list the items anyway. So here you can see the different items that they have. You even have very cheap products that are always available. In order to list an item from Cake Box Direct, you only have to choose the item that you want to list, for example this. And the most important thing to take into account is that you will only be able to list the first variation. So in this case, silver foil mini cases, quantity 9,000, only this one. So you have to click on the extension button as always, and then fill in the item specifics, and finally click on submit. It is the same procedure as with the rest of our suppliers. In this case, you must take into account that the free delivery on all orders, England, Scotland and Wales, you must check the exceptions, but most of the deliveries are free. So that's a very good advantage to take into account. Also, it is a free website, as I said before, and there's no need in creating your own account. Remember to email us or contact us via live chat if you have any other doubt in regards to this new supplier. And as I always say to you, stay tuned by following us on social media and watching our YouTube channel. We will let you know the new sources coming soon via social media. Have a great day!